Welcome to our Disney-inspired cooking adventure. Today we are diving into a magical culinary experience as we recreate the Mojo Pork with black beans and cilantro lime rice dish. Before we begin, we would like to thank our subscribers. Your support allows us to recreate more magical moments. For the Mojo Pork, you will need boneless pork butt, salt, black pepper, white vinegar, orange juice, lime juice, lemon juice, white onion, garlic powder, and oregano. Add 3 to 4 pounds of cubed pork butt to your Instant Pot or slow cooker. Cubing the pork will help it cook faster and evenly in the slow cooker. With 2 tablespoons of salt, 1 teaspoon black pepper. You can always add more if you like lots of black pepper. Mix the pork, salt, and pepper thoroughly to ensure that the seasoning is evenly distributed. This will help every bite taste delicious. Pour in half a cup of white vinegar. This will bring nice tang to your Mojo marinade. It helps balance the richness of the pork and the sweetness from the citrus you'll be adding later. 1 cup of orange juice adds that classic sweetness and citrusy flavor that makes Mojo marinade so special. 1/4 cup of lime juice. This adds another layer of citrus flavor and a bit more tartness to balance the sweetness of the orange juice. 1/4 cup of lemon juice will brighten up the marinade even more and make a vibrant and zesty flavor. With 1 small diced onion, 2 teaspoons garlic powder. You can use 2 cloves of garlic minced in place of the garlic powder. 1 teaspoon oregano to add a warm, earthy flavor that complements the other ingredients in the marinade. It's time to combine all those wonderful ingredients and let the pork soak up all that flavor. I used my Instant Pot on the slow cook, low setting for 8 to 10 hours. When the pork is done, you can dice or shred it up. Ingredients for the black beans are onion, red bell pepper, green bell pepper, garlic powder, olive oil, black beans, oregano, cumin, crushed red pepper flakes, fresh cilantro, and red wine vinegar. Add half cup of olive oil to a large skillet on medium heat as we are going to sauté the vegetables, with 1 small diced onion into the skillet. 1 diced red bell pepper, 1 diced green pepper. Continue to sauté over medium heat, stirring frequently. As the peppers and onions cook together, their flavors meld and create a fragrant base, and 1 tablespoon garlic powder into the skillet. Sauté the peppers and onions for about 5 to 10 minutes and allow them to soften and develop a bit of caramelization to enhance their flavor. Add in 3 15-ounce cans of black beans. 1 4 teaspoon oregano for a nice earthy and slightly sweet flavor to the dish. 1/4 teaspoon cumin will bring a warm and earthy flavor with a hint of citrus to your dish. 1/8 teaspoon of crushed red pepper to give your dish a gentle kick of heat. 2 tablespoons chopped fresh cilantro. 2 tablespoons red wine vinegar to add a bright, tangy flavor that will balance the richness of the black beans and the sweetness of the peppers. Stir everything together until well blended and cook for about 10 minutes. This delicious black bean dish is now complete and ready to enjoy. Let's make some delicious cilantro lime rice to finish this 3-part recipe. You will need rice, salt, olive oil, fresh cilantro, and lime juice. Fill a large saucepan with 4 cups of water and place on the stove over medium-high heat. Let the water come to a full rolling boil. Carefully add 2 cups of rice to the boiling water. Stir occasionally to prevent sticking with 2 teaspoons of salt to the rice as it cooks. 1 teaspoon olive oil while the rice is cooking. Once the rice is completely cooked, remove it from the heat. Add in the chopped cilantro to the fluffed rice and gently stir it in until it is evenly distributed. Add 3 tablespoons of fresh lime juice to add a bright and zesty flavor to your rice. Gently mix the rice, cilantro, and lime juice together until everything is well blended. This will ensure that every bite has a perfect balance of flavor. Now you are ready to enjoy this dish. Combining the cilantro lime rice, black beans, and Mojo pork in a bowl creates a fantastic, flavorful, and satisfying meal. We enjoy sharing Disney recipes that can help you create the magic at home for your friends and family. Please comment if there are any Disney recipes you would like us to recreate. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe to our channel to help us continue sharing delicious Disney recipes. Until next time, happy eating.